वी वांट योर सपोर्ट, बिकॉज अगर आपके घर में या आप, क्योंकि जब हम लोग क्राइम का एनालिसिस करते हैं तो हमें ये पता चलता है कि जो क्राइम है, दैट क्राइम इज बीइंग कमिटेड sometimes by people who are coming from other places, and we do not know about those people. तो इसलिए I am going to request you all that you need to tell us about tenants that you are keeping. Now how to tell us is the question. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि there is a tenant verification form at the police station. You can all ask the police station to give you a tenant verification form. When you fill up that tenant verification form, two things happen. One is we know about the tenant or the servant or the employee you have. हम लोगों को पता चल जाता है, उसकी सारी डिटेल्स हमारे पास आ जाती हैं और उसको भी पता चल जाता है कि पुलिस के पास सब डिटेल्स हैं. सो उसको डर रहता है पुलिस का. और जो दूसरा चीज़ होता है वो ये होता है कि वो जो फॉर्म है वो उसके, सपोज वो उड़ीसा का है तो वो उड़ीसा में उसके पुलिस स्टेशन में जाता है, वहाँ पे वो आदमी वेरीफाई होता है और वो लेटर हमें लिखता है कि ये जो आदमी है इसके अगेंस्ट कोई क्रिमिनल केस नहीं है, ये सेफ है. और अगर क्रिमिनल केस है तो हमें पता चल जाता है कि वो क्रिमिनल है और वो आपके घर में रह रहा है, तो हम लोग आपको अलर्ट कर सकते हैं. तो इसीलिए हम लोग जो चाहते हैं वो ये है कि प्लीज़ वेन एवर यू हैव टेनेंट्स और वेन एवर यू आर कीपिंग सर्वेंट्स, it takes 5 minutes to fill up a tenant verification form. Please fill up those forms and submit to the police station. You can also call your beat officer and ask for that form. He will collect the form from you and he will submit it at the police station. So this is a very important step in our partnership to stop crime, that we should know who's living. अभी हम लोगों को पता है, if I am a local, मुझे पता है मेरे बगल में नाइक साहब रहते हैं, उनके बगल में एक और साहब रहते हैं. आई नो एवरीवन बिकॉज वी हैव बीन टुगेदर सिंस 50 years. बट इफ अ टेनेंट कम्स, आई डोंट नो हु ही इज. हम लोग बहुत टाइम अपने घर में सर्वेंट रखते हैं, वो अपना नाम बताएगा, नाम क्या है, बोला, कहाँ से आया है, बिहार, नंबर क्या है, और एक वो नंबर दे देता है. बट आफ्टर दैट वी डोंट नो, भोला फ्रॉम बिहार एंड वन नंबर, इफ स्विचेज ऑफ हिज फोन, गॉन, फिनिश्ड. So we have to take all details. So those details are in the tenant verification form, and I request you all to contact us and register your tenants. This will really help in ensuring that we know who the tenants are. So this, and it has helped us in detecting cases also. In South Goa there was a case जहाँ पे एक servant ने घर पे एक crime किया, चोरी करके भागा. Immediately we had the details. In Panjim also there was a Tanishq shop. Tanishq shop में एक आदमी काम कर रहा था. Tanishq वालों ने उसका वो भरा हुआ था फॉर्म, and that person ran away with jewelry. Even before he could reach his village, we caught him in the train. So it really helps in detecting crime. So please do fill up the forms. And the fourth thing that I want to tell all of you about is that before telling you, I want to thank the Market Association for coming up with the initiative of setting up a booth for the police. जो market है उसमें इस समय बहुत, every once in a while we know that there is some theft, and I want to congratulate Paresh because the last theft that happened we were able to detect within very short time. So a booth in the market will help us, and thank you so much for making that booth. I thank everyone who's from the Market Association for that booth. But I also want to emphasize on the importance of two things. First is CCTV cameras, and second is having a watchman. So CCTV cameras, I want to again thank the people of MAPSA. I don't know आपको कितने लोगों को याद है, लास्ट ईयर एक केस हुआ था जिसमें एक छोटी बच्ची को, 10 दिन की बच्ची को उठा के कोई ले गया था कहीं पे. It was only because of the cameras that were put in MAPSA at Satya Hira and at the Deputy Collector's office, and then in the gullies, that we were able to identify that person and we were able to catch them within 24 hours. तो जो CCTV कैमरा है, it is extremely important. So if you don't have CCTV cameras, even between 3-4 people in a row, if together you can put 1 or 2 cameras which are facing the road, it will be a big deterrent for people who are targeting any crime, and if some crime has been committed, to catch that person. तो इसीलिए मैं आपको जो कॉलोनीज़ हैं, सोसाइटीज़ हैं और जो एसोसिएशंस हैं, मार्केट्स, temples, churches, I will ask them that please spare some money and put at least one CCTV camera which is facing the road. It is very important and it is a big deterrent. The other thing I want to tell the market people is, we have our people, हम लोगों के रात में लोग रहते हैं, but we need to put either we can think about putting a gate or a watchman to just so that there is some force multiplier for us. क्योंकि to man every shop, every gully is difficult. We are doing it, but I will still stress that if we can do some, if you can help us some more, we will be very happy with that help, and I request you all to consider it. So these are some of the things that I wanted to tell you. The other thing that we are also focusing on majorly is cyber crime. आप लोगों को बहुत सारे लोगों को मैसेज आया होगा, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट, पावर, देन व्हाट्सएप गेटिंग क्लोन्ड. So there is a lot of cyber crime happening. The issue with cyber crime is that जो cyber criminals है वो गोवा में नहीं है, वो बहुत दूर है. They are in West Bengal, they are in Jharkhand, they are in Haryana, and how they operate is when we send people to catch these criminals, we find that how they operate. एक बड़ा सा पार्क होगा, वो पार्क में 5-10 बच्चे बैठे होंगे, youngsters, 19-20 years old, they'll be sitting with phones and they'll be operating from morning 9 o'clock to evening 7 o'clock, continuously sending out messages or making calls. The moment you go to catch them, सब भाग जाते हैं उधर से, और वो सब प्रोटेक्टेड है वहाँ पे. लोकल, दे ऑल लोकल विलेजर्स, दे ऑल प्रोटेक्टेड, एंड इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कैच देम. सो दिस, इवन दो वी डू catch them, but we don't want anyone to lose their money in cyber crime. So 2-3 things which you must all remember is that please never share your OTPs. कोई कुछ भी बोलेगा. I met one gentleman yesterday who was 55 years old. He works in an office. He's well educated. उसको किसी ने बोला कि I am sending you a QR code, scan it, ₹1 जाएगा, आपकी सर्विस एनेबल हो जाएगी. ₹1 नहीं गया, 49,990 रुपीज़ गए, कोई सर्विस एनेबल नहीं हुई, पैसा चला गया. तो अब स्कैनिंग ऑफ QR कोड्स, शेयरिंग ऑफ OTPs, वी मस्ट ऑल टेल everyone who's our neighbor, relative, parents especially, kids, please be very careful about sharing any OTPs, scanning any QR codes. And talking of kids, schools have opened now. We have seen some cases of cyber bullying. अब बच्चे आपस में, because they were for so long, वो लोग फ़ोन में क्लासेस करते थे, बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं सोशल मीडिया पे एक्टिव है. Now we have seen cases in which स्कूल के बच्चे, क्लास के बच्चे आपस में एक दूसरे को बुली करते हैं. They sometimes morph photograph, take photographs, save some chats, and then they trouble other children. So please be very careful about who your kids are interacting on the phone, especially on social media. आप चेक करिए प्लीज़ कि वो लोग किससे बात करते हैं, क्या बात करते हैं. उनके जो फ्रेंड्स हैं वो सच में उनके फ्रेंड्स हैं कि कोई अडल्ट्स भी उनके फ्रेंड्स में आ गए हैं, कोई ऐसे लोग हैं जो गोवा में नहीं रहते हैं, वो उनसे इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं. ये सब चीज़ प्लीज़ आप लोग मॉनिटर करिए. एंड आई हैव टोल्ड माई स्टाफ दैट ड्यूरिंग स्कूल टाइम्स दे विल बी मूविंग अराउंड स्कूल्स, स्पेशली जब स्कूल खुलता है और स्कूल बंद होता है, तब हम लोगों का जो स्टाफ है दे विल रिमेन इन पेट्रोलिंग. वी हैव स्ट्रेंथेंड आवर बीट सिस्टम. पहले हर बीट में 2-2 लोग थे, अब हर बीट में 5-5 लोग हैं. तो इससे फ़ायदा ये है कि रात में भी हम लोग प्रेजेंट हैं बीट में. तो उससे जो फ़ायदा हुआ है वो ये है कि रात में अगर कोई भी बड़ा ऑफेंस हुआ है, एक बीच में फायरिंग का इंसिडेंट हुआ था, because the police was present there, we were able to catch the people at night only. So we are strengthening our beat system to ensure that in the night also nothing goes undetected. So these are some of the things that we have done we are trying to do for the people of Mapsa and the people of Goa. I have conducted a few meetings earlier also in Parvarim, in Kalangut, Anjuna, Pernem, and this is my 6th meeting now. So I intend to have more of such meetings. And in my previous meetings, we have received some good suggestions which we have worked on, such as putting of signs, no parking signs, school signs, do not speed, overspeed signs. Those kind of signs have been put with the help of CSR in Parvarim. The village panchayat of Sukkur and Pena da Franca have been very kind to give us 100 CCTV cameras. So I also request the municipality in Mapsa and the adjoining panchayats to help us in these things. And I would now request all of you to please give suggestions. I have come here more than telling you about our schemes. I have come to take suggestions. It has been 2 years since we have had any formal interaction because of COVID. So please give us your suggestions. We'll note them down and we'll meet again with compliance of those suggestions.
Councillors, Sarpanch, ZP members, press, my dear friends and members of the police force. म्हाका बरें दिसता आयज की म्हाज्या टेन्युरान पयले फावटी ही एक इंटरॅक्शन जाता आयज. सगळे म्हापशेकारांनी आपले आपले सजेशन्स दिलेले आसा. देर आर अ फ्यू थिंग्स दॅट एज एन MLA I think the person who is in constant touch with the respected police inspector, whether it is traffic or police station, sometimes even crime, the DYSP, and if needed, the SP. It gives me great pleasure to inform all of you all that I think during his tenure, we have seen a lot of detections, we have seen a lot of closures of a lot of crimes, a lot of cases. And I'm very happy that he has taken this initiative. And he is thodaच्या मनान आसा की whether this is exercise just for the sake of it, or whether there will be some benefit, whether there will be some action from this entire interaction. I am happy to say that I am extremely confident that Shobhit Saxena, the SP of North Goa, is one of the most efficient officers I have ever interacted with. He is young, he has the mindset to ensure that if any task is given to him, he will get to the bottom of it and he will not rest till he does that. Similarly, the DYSPs of the same nature, and of course our police inspector who has joined MAPSA about a month and a half ago. I am proud to say that his track record holds with some very good numbers, and I am very confident that he will make sure that MAPSA is an even more safe place to live in for as long as he is the PI. A few suggestions that I have with regards to safety. Maka khabar asa ki every citizen's primary fear is crime or danger. Most importantly to himself first, and secondly to his family. तेजे उपरांत धंदो आणि बाकीचे ते फुडले आसता, but most importantly every human being is worried about his own life. We could start with some suggestions are the borders of Goa. I'm not only speaking about MAPSA, but we have several borders where there is a lot of inflow and outflow of traffic, whether it is by foot, whether it is by two-wheelers, four-wheelers, buses. If we can ensure that there is enough monitoring at these places, we could also look at train stations, airport, bus stands, city entry-exit points. Maka dista the police have been well trained to ensure that they can even sit down in one corner and just by observing they can detect somebody who looks suspicious in nature. So I think this is a skill set that each and every police officer should have. My humble suggestion, Shobhitji, with your presence, ensure that there are some kind of refresher workshops for your staff try to get them more aware with today's crimes, get them up to date with how technology has changed, how people resort to various new, to use technology to their benefit to commit crimes. If the police staff is updated, I think they can be more vigilant. Subsequently, there are issues where public sometimes sees a crime. Please do not hesitate to call the helpline number, report a crime. There is no harm, you will not get in trouble. खूप जाण म्हणटा की आपण कंप्लेन करूंक सोदिना, आपण त्रासान पडटलो, आपल्याक कोर्टान वयचें पडटा, आपल्याक पुलीस स्टेशनान वयचें पडटा. But try to do it for the greater good of society. I will be confident to say that the police will ensure that you are protected. The police are here for our benefit. जर आमी तांकां मदत करूं शकता जाल्यार म्हाका पूर्ण खात्री आसा की ते सुद्दां they will ensure that they do their duty to serve us and to protect us. Everyone has to be vigilant. Let us all play our parts in society. एकामेकाक सांगूंक जाय आमकां. जर आमकां जशें म्हटलें हांवें क्रायम दिसता मातशें सांगचें. All illegal activities, as mentioned by all citizens of Mapsa, please ensure that we can find a solution to this. There are a lot of people that come from out of states, vagabonds, gypsies, squatters. They just make their homes in any open space that is available. I'm sure that Mapsa Municipal Council will be happy to cooperate, especially in locations near the new interim bus stand, near the Mapsa Sabiyat. There are a lot of people that come and just set up tents. We can also see that in Kuchilim, behind the petrol pump or behind the scrapyards, there are multiple places where we can see a lot of people coming and setting up tents. Amka khabar na whether they are even registered with the concerned departments back in their home. So if there is some kind of mechanism to find how we can identify people, most importantly is to be identified. We can always say that when we are looking for a criminal, if we have a photo, the identification is much easier. I'm very happy to say that with the tenancy verification of each and every tenant all over the state of Goa takes place, we will be in a much safer environment. Amka सगळ्यांचो contribution आसा हितून. I don't think the police by themselves can do it. It is each and everyone's responsibility to help each other and keep our society safe.
I am Jubad Alvi. Actually, let me introduce myself. I have joined recently on 26th of May. And I like to work. I always believe in proactive policing, as Joshua sir has already said in open press conference too. So I request to see towards my PI Paresh, he also in this area, as a neutral officers. Please accept a neutral officers and you give us chance by giving complaints. Now we have circulated pamphlets. In that pamphlets, my mobile number is there, the WhatsApp number is there, PI Paresh WhatsApp number is there. Try to give the inputs. If you give the inputs and if you don't act, then you question next meeting, or you can, if you are not satisfied with the feedback what we have given you, then yes, you can always say that no, we will not allow to give the chance or to say that police are not doing any work. And there are some suggestions. SP sir already touched the suggestions. The modified vehicles, silencer which is there, we are booking the cases in that modified silencers. We will issue a special note also to traffic PI just to look into the matter. Some Mapsa Merchant Association also have really appreciated Mapsa police. They said that night patrolling has to be increased. We have taken note of it, and police presence from after 8:30 no police presence is there. But if it is not there, we will try to improve on that. But I feel it is there. There are not many mobile patrolling vehicles 24/7 are available. The safety of the child, this regarding the school timings. Yes, we have to change school timings. If somebody's school says 7:30, other schools will start at 8. That is the policy decision. We will try to organize a meeting with the school principals, and we will try to do something with the help of our MLA sir, and we'll take a note of that. There are the Jewelry Association, Mr. Samir has really thanked Mapsa Police for doing good work. Mr. Kinkre said that police could fix a board. These were allegations where the police are hiding in one place, suddenly coming on the road and giving the challenge. And we have stopped that. We are not hiding, standing down. We are standing openly so that you also know the police are there. You should put helmet and other things you have to follow. That hiding thing is already over. And if something is there, if she is hiding thing, then you please take the photograph, WhatsApp me or PI Paresh, and we'll see that it will not appear. Mr. Pradeep Joshi also given some suggestions, we have noted that. And Mr. Ashok Shinde also given some suggestions regarding beggars. So beggars, there is one person called Donald. I will share the number to you, where he picks up the beggar, and he has a beggar on various beggar homes, and we will share the number. And if any beggar is sitting somewhere, you please send a WhatsApp message, and we will take action on that. Beggars, we will not tolerate any beggars begging and troubling the public. Then, yes, somebody was criticizing that he said police are zero and all that. But no, Goa police are the best. And again, I am repeating you that keep neutral opinion on us and give the suggestions or give the complaints, and we will definitely give the feedback. So, actually, we were expecting too much of bombarding, but today they don't know bombarding. That means police are working good. Otherwise, there are always cause complaints against the police. But comparatively against Mapsa police, there are these suggestions we are noted. There are no much allegations, and really we will next meeting will try to improve more so that you can feel and see that we worked towards your fulfillment of your suggestions. And now, last coming to the vote of thanks, I really thank our MLA Shri Joshua D'Souza. I request all of you give a big hand to our MLA Mr. Joshua D'Souza. Sir, with last moment we have requested, my PI Paresh Naik has requested Sir to come and grace the occasion. And sir, thank you very much for coming, sir. And our MLA is so young, and really it is a good combination, young MLA, young PI, and this is a young SP, and I am also young. So we will see that whatever your suggestion you give to us, we will fulfill it, and whatever suggestion MLA sir gives to us, definitely we will work on that. I thank our SP who has taken the initiative to have such meetings. Honorable CM had interaction with the officers where he informed us that do something to prevent the crimes. So this is one of the initiative we have taken to fulfill what Honorable CM has told us. With this, lot of crime also can be prevented by putting CCTV footages, lot of feedback from the public, and if you find something unusual at neighbors, you can always phone or WhatsApp us. So this is the one step to prevent the crimes. And thank you, sir, for coming and guiding us. I also thank Councillor Shri Sainath Rahul. I thank Councillor Shri Ashirwad Khorjekar. I thank Chairperson Srimati Shivangi Vailekar. I thank Shashank Narvekar. I thank Sudhir Khandolkar. I thank ZP Sarpanch Ranjit Uznavkar of Pastora, ZP Manisha M. Naik, Panch Member, Pratiksha Mayekar, Deputy Sarpanch Pastora Sunita Lodlikar. I also thank my PI who has organized such a big event, and because of your activeness we are here. Thank you very much, and I declare this function as over. Thank you very much.
माननीय व्यासपीठ, बऱ्यापैकी लोकांनी सजेशन दिला. खरेंच म्हापशा खातीर खूब अडचणी आसा हें म्हाकाय खबर आसा. आमच्या कावन्सिलाक घडोवन हाडल्यार 1 वर्स जालें. आमी खुबश्यो गजाली सुटावचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा, आनी आतां जे उलयल्या सोनारा खातीर बॉक्स म्हापसा, तो आमचो प्रयत्न चालू आहा सेक्युरिटी भांगराच्या शॉपा खातीर दिवपाक. तशेंच सिग्नल ऑलरेडी आमी रेजोल्युशन घेतलेलें आसा, आनी तें बी 1-2 म्हयन्यान जावं शकता. एक पेड्यान आनी दुसरे कोर्टा कडेन तें खरेंच चलना. आमी खूब, म्हाका दिसता म्हाज्या टना 1 वर्सान हांवें 4 फावटी तरी रिपेर केले, पूण तें खूब पयलींचें. बाबुशान आनी पर्रीकरान हेंच्यांनी ते त्या वेळार अंडर CSR घातलेले, ताका मेंटेनन्स वेवस्थीत ना म्हणून जायते फावटी ते बंद पडटा. तेचोय आमकां प्रयत्न आसा, आमी थंय घालतली. तशेंच म्हापशाच्यो मार्केटांतल्यो समस्या सांगल्यो. मार्केटान म्हाका एक सांगपाक दिसता की खुबशे कोण सकाळचे तांकां हाडून दवरता नोकय, जे हँडिकॅप अशे खुर्चे घेवन भोंवताना खुबश्यो मार्केटान दिसता. हांवें प्रयत्नय केलो, आमचो MI थ्रू हांवें प्रयत्न केला की ते खंयच्यान लोक येता ते सगळ्या भर भोंवत आसता आनी भिकारी ह्या नात्यान ते लोकांक पांया कडेन धरून धरून भीक मागत आसता. हांवें पोलिसां पर्यंत कळयलें ना, पूण आमच्या MI मार्फत हांवें खुबश्यो तो विशय हाताळपाक प्रयत्न केलो. जितले आमी बेघर घर लोकांचे काडपाचो प्रयत्न करता आनी ह्या भिकारी लोकांक, तरी आसतना ते वाडत आसता. म्हाज्या म्हायतीनुसार 5:30 सकाळी कारवालो पेट्रोल पंपा कडेन हाडून तांकां सोडटा अशें कोण तरी, अशें म्हाज्या नजरेक येयल्लें आसा. म्हाका एक तुमकां सांगूंक दिसता की तुमी हेचेर लक्ष दिवचें. तशेंच ते सांजचे 5:30च्या वेळार ते परत एक गाडी येता तांकां आनी घेवन वयता. हेचेर तुमचें लक्ष दिवचें. आनी बाब जे वायट गजाली महिलांच्यो तरेन जाता तेचेरूय हांव आयकतां, पूण म्हाका तसो अभ्यास करपाक मेळना. पूण तुमच्या नजरेक आयज हाडून दिल्ले आसा. मार्केटान एका जाग्यार अशे 2 जागे हांवें आयकलेले आसा जे वायट गजाली थंय घडटा, त्यो प्रामुख्यान तुमी लक्ष दिवपाक जाय. कारण अशा रितीन ही वायट मॅसेज वयता. कारण हे अशे म्हणजे म्हापशाकारांचे वायट हेतून वचप हें खंय तरी आमकांय बी ते लज्जेपत आसा. सो हेचेरूय तुमी बऱ्या हेतून कडक हेतून लक्ष दिवचें. गार्डनान आमचे गार्डनर आसात आनी ते 10 म्हटल्यार आमी गार्डन बंद करपाचें तांकां ऑर्डर दिल्ली आसा. पयलीं 9 करताले, आतां 10 पर्यंत केले. कारण जायतीं जाणां थंय भुरग्यांक घेवन खेळपाक येता किंवा आसतात पेरंट्स म्हणून 10 पर्यंत तरी करचे अशे लोकांचे विचार असले त्या खातीर 10 पर्यंत केल्ले आसा. तरी आमच्या कडल्यान आनी बाब जोसवा आमदार हे सुद्दां बऱ्यापैकी सोल्युशन काडपाक आमकां घेवन बसतात. तेन्ना जे तुमचे म्हणजे तुमी आतां म्युन्सिपाल्टीचे ज्यो कितें गजाली सांगले आसा त्यो आमच्या पर्यंत सुटावचो प्रयत्न करतले आनी हो बऱ्यापैकी कार्यक्रम तुमी हाडलो. संवाद लोकां बरोबर लोकांनी आपले बरे जावं वायट विचार मांडलेले आसा. जे लोकांनी पळयलां आनी जे लोकांनी भोगलां ते लोकांनी आपल्या समोर तुमच्या समोर मांडपाचो प्रयत्न केलो आसा. तुमी तेचेर वाड काडची आनी तुमकां सगळ्यांक आज हांगा बऱ्यापैकी सोल्युशन दिल्ल्या बद्दल म्हाका जाता तितलो प्रयत्न करतलो आनी आमची टीम बी प्रयत्न करतली. देव बरें करूं.